Hey everyone, it's Christy Marie. Are you ready to dive into an amazing underwater adventure? Get your snorkels ready because we're about to splash into the incredible world of fish. That's right, the brand new Fantastic Fish playlist from NutriSkids is swimming your way very, very soon. We're going to explore the deep blue sea and meet all sorts of fantastic friends. ULL. Discover why fish and seafood are not only super yummy, but also great for helping you grow strong and smart. We'll learn cool facts, sing catchy songs, and maybe even find some hidden treasure. It's going to be an ocean of fun you won't want to miss, so stay tuned for our exciting adventures under the sea. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be the first to know when our fishy fun begins. See you soon.